Namaskara. I'm Dr. Sunita Rana Agarwal from Dr. Agarwal Hospitals, Bangalore. I'm an eye surgeon and doing gene therapy and stem cells today. Eye wash solution is the most important is nothing but plain tap water. We don't want to use anything stronger in the eye. Why? If I should give you an acidic or an alkaline, you get a chemical injury. You use an acid for an acid, it's going to produce more worse results. You use an alkaline for an alkaline, it's going to produce more worse results. So it's even better for you to use over-the-counter drops like artificial tears. These are very simple because they are neutral. They are not acidic, they are not alkaline. Here we are always in a little jeopardy whether it's acid or alkaline. But artificial tears, they are neither. Plain water is your first bet, and any antibiotic cream. The cream comes with a Vaseline base. It's not to be used inside the eye, but over any injury or any burn or anything, a cream will produce like an ointment, a marham.